So in the last sessions, we are seeing three flows. One is procure to pay, order to cash, and drop shipment processes. Okay, these three complete flows are completed. Today we are going to starting on back to back order process. So what do you mean by this back to back order? Back to back order process. So here, when it is coming into the picture, back to back order process. The back to back order process also it looks like same drop shipment, but the difference is, so drop shipment also same process, back to back order also same process. But drop shipment level, what the things, what is the source, item source, drop ship level, item source, what is the order source, order source, what is the order source,
external supplier.
external, external. Okay, and who will going to doing the packing, shipping, and shipping process? Who will
Supplier.
do the shipping process here in drop shipment? Supplier. Okay, supplier. This is now coming to the back to back order process. These two things it is going to happening. It is internal. Now what will happen in the back to back order? First we will going to getting the order from the customer, and based on the order uh, we don't have the stock. Whenever the stock is not available in the inventory, then automatically it is converted to the back to back order process. So what will happen? The back to back order process again it is sending to the PO and creating the PO, and the supplier will ship the material to the seller. Okay, seller is again it's reopening, and then he is going to adding his labels and repacking and assembling he is going to doing, and is shipping to the customer. Now you can going to understand, see here, sir, already draft shipment process is there, why is going to taking the again all extra work? Is there any reasons? In the if you are going to raising draft shipment, automatically supplier will ship the material to the customer. No need to do the packing, picking, shipping. Okay, these all things is not required. Okay, we can do it. Instead of draft shipment, why seller is going to raising the back to back order process? Is there any benefit here? What type of benefits we have? Yeah, please. Anyone tell me.
It may be assembling the material and creating final product for selling.
Yeah, that is also one of the reason. Okay, assembling the parts, assembling the parts, parts, and made to final product, made the final product. Hmm. So that means, see, the main item we are going to order to the supplier. We got the main order. Other small parts we are going to assembling, and we are going to creating the final product. This is also one of the reason. Any other reasons? And we are going to hide the actual cost. Understood? Original price. Original price. Original price means suppose supplier is going to selling the product to suppose $50, but your order is $75. So if they are going to putting the label in price label in $50, now customer knows, oh, this is only $50, but we are unnecessarily paying to the $75. Understood? That is also one thing. These labels and all. Again, here it is going to supplier. labels will going to coming, but company labels, company software. Suppose if you order any mobile in e-commerce gateway, what they will do, you can switch on the phone, automatically you can see their product installed inside. Yes or no? Did you people are observed any time? In India, where if you ordered any phone through the e-commerce gateway, okay, like Amazon or Flipkart, like that, the phone, if you switch on, it is a smartphone. If you after receiving the delivery, if you switch on, automatically you will see their their apps is already installed. That means they are going to spreading their apps installations and their business also. Okay, that is one thing. And the second thing is, here it is going to, we are going to hiding the uh, price labels, and we are going to, here it is adding the seller labels. This is also one of the main reason. Okay, let me start now. Right now, so the back to back order process, back to back order process. So here what are the main components are required? So we need the, first it is going to customer, and then seller, okay, and then again supplier. It is going to supplier. Okay, supplier. Now what will happen? Now customer is going to place the order. Customer is placed the order to seller. Now see, here it is customer, supplier and seller, all are companies only, not the persons. Okay, keep on mind, it's not the persons, it's the company. It's a organizations, big organizations. So here what will going to happen? Here it is a purchasing and a sales. These all the things will come. Okay, now here it is going to SO, sales order. Raise the sales order to the seller. Now what will happen? The customer requested material stock is not available in the inventory. The customer requested stock is not available in inventory warehouse. Okay, warehouse. So and against this, okay, against the customer, against the sales order, okay, seller has raised the purchase order, raised the PO. Okay, this is raised the PO means, so what will happen? We will going to create the PO to whom? We are going to creating the seller. So we are requesting now. We are raising the purchase order now. So now you can go and raise the purchase order. So now you can raise the purchase order to the seller. So what will happen? Now seller is going to sending the material to whom? Now raise the purchase order, PO. Okay, this is PO. Now what will happen? Now supplier is sending the material to seller. But in previous case, what happened? In previous case, it is going to directly supplier is shipping the material to the customer. But in this case, now here it is. Customer is shipping the material to the seller. So here it is. Shipping the material to seller. Shipping the material to seller. Okay, this is. And now again. So here it is. Now seller it is going to, after receiving the material from the, here we can add it. After receiving the material from supplier, okay, and seller will open and reassembling reassembling reassembling. That means reassembling means, here you can see packing, picking, packing, shipping, picking, packing, okay, and shipping to customer, shipping to customer. Okay, this is the thing it is going to happen here. So now once this is done, next what will happen? We will going to receive the payment from the customer. So we're going to receive the payment from customer. Sorry, give me a second. Now it's fine. Okay. Now what will happen? AR invoice will going to come in here. AR invoice. AR invoice. AR invoice. Here it is going to AP invoice. AP invoice. AP invoice. Okay. Now we are going to receiving the payment from customer. B means seller. Okay, here it is. Seller is receiving the receiving the payment from customer. Okay, this is. Now here it is. Seller is making the payment to supplier. Seller is making the payment to supplier.
Goti, in this
Yes.
case, AR invoice should be sent from seller to customer, right?
Seller to customer. Right. Sorry, the arrow mark I am putting wrong way. Give me a second. Invoice means, see, invoice will not going to, will going to give the receipt after making the payment. Yeah, 1 second. Correct. Thanks for correcting me. No, the way we are putting correct only, but this is we can put it. Now, 1 second. The invoice we are going to giving to him. He will going to make the payment. After that, receipt will generate it to customer. So that is okay. Hello,
Yeah.
Sachin, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. This is the flow. It's going to happening here. Okay. This is back to back order process. Let it be see now the steps. So already yesterday we are seeing most of all the steps in both the things, but today now we will going to see. So anyhow, yesterday we are seeing how to create the item. So in that now we are going to starting from entering the sales orders. Okay, first enter the sales order, and then book the sales order. Okay, and then once you book the sales order, next what will happen? Next you have to progress the order line. Progress the order line. Okay, once you progress the order line, then going to uh, run the requisition import program. Requisition import program. Once you run the requisition import program, and then find the find the auto created requisition. Okay. Once you find the requisition number, then create the PO, purchase order, based on requisition. Now, is it which inventory we are going to receiving? We are going to receiving to our physical inventory. There is no need here logical inventory. Understood, right? Now create the receipt. Receipt based on PO.
PO.
Once PO is created, what is the line status here? Check the line status. What is the status? It is going to happen. Check the SO line status, sales order line status. What will happen now?
Uh,
Any idea? Yesterday, what happened? In the draft shipment process, once you created the requisition, what is the line status?
Shipping awaiting.
Yesterday, draft shipment level.
After receipt, it was shipped.
Right. Today, awaiting shipping. Awaiting shipping. Why awaiting shipping? Yeah, it's now we are receiving the material from the supplier. Now we are going to sending to the customer. Now, next what I have to do? Again, O2C process. Pick release. Then pick confirm. Then ship confirm. Then run the workflow background process. Workflow background process. Okay. Now SO line is closed. Line is closed. Then find the auto created
Invoice.
AR invoice and create the accounting and then
Transfer to GL.
transfer to GL. Here only it will come. Create the accounting and transfer to GL. Final post we can do. transfer to transfer to GL. Next, where the receipt transfer to GL, transfer to GL. This is the thing it is going to happen. Next, create a AP invoice. We have to make the payment to the supplier, right?
Yeah.
AP invoice. Make the payment to supplier. Make the payment to supplier means it is going to validate the invoice and create approve. Okay, validate the and invoice and pre-approve. After that, accounting, final pay. Okay, final, not final pay, it's full pay. Okay, that done. Once full pay is done, make the payment to full payment is done. Next, what we can do here, create accounting and transfer to GL. Transfer to GL. If these steps are clear,
Yeah.
okay.
Kuti, after creating AP invoice, we have to do separate accounting for invoice, right?
Right,
And separate accounting for payment.
right. See,
Okay.
separate accounting for payment means, see, the end of the day, every quarter, every month, they are going to closing the periods. They are going to looking
Yeah.
that how much payment is coming, how much payment is going from the accounts. What is the net profit or net loss or trial balance? They will going to check. How it is means all AR invoices accounts are going to AR invoice amounts are going to settle in GL. All AP invoices that amounts every transaction is going to settle in GL. In the GL level, if the GL balances level, if you are going to checking how much transactions are coming, how much transactions are going, so what is the net profit we will going to see. See, every quarter, each and every company will going to announcing the results. How they will announce based on this only. Understood. This quarter we got 3,000 crores profit. It's the increase percent sales percentage 15% hike. Okay, profit. Like that they are going to announcing. How they will announce? See, they are running. They are not running for one order, two orders, right? Thousands of lakhs of orders will come in every month. It's not for the single country, so it is going to throughout the worldwide. Suppose they are running the business in 80 countries throughout the worldwide. So in the 80 countries they have, oh, suppose 100 operating units. Okay, forget about 100 operating units. Simply it is 10 operating units. The Asia specific, or it is going to US specific, or Middle East specific. Okay, like that they are going to put in. How they will know how much amount is coming, how much amount is going, what is the profit? If someone is going to sitting and manually calculating each and everything, no, right? It's not possible at all. So the
Yeah.
in GL level only they will going to understand each and every transaction, even that. In GL, every transaction it is going to GL only. Either AP transactions or AR transactions or PA, project accounting transactions. Okay, and project accounting transactions and cash management transactions. Okay, each and every revenue transaction it is going to settle in GL. Okay, in the GL level, the final end of the day they are going to every month they will going to close, every quarter again they are closing the periods, and then they are going to running of the programs, and they will look it the report, they will look it how much amount it is coming, how much amount it is going, what is the net profit or net loss, what is the sales increase, Okay, based on the profit, how much percentage we are gained, and they are going to calculating. Is it clear, Sachin, now?
Yeah.
Okay, it will not come one day you are going to understand everything, means that is not possible at all. So the keep on you can work on, then we're going to understand. Padmini, are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope Shavarnathan you are following everything. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay. Right. Now we can go and do the setups. So already existed item I'm going to taking. This item I set up in previous class. Okay. So now let me try. So all the steps already you performed in previous O2C and P2P level. The same steps again we are going to performing here. Operations. Welcome. One second, I'm checking against this order. Is there any invoice is there or not? Where interface line attribute 1,666,681. Okay, you can see there item yesterday we are seen, right? How to create it. The same way you can create it item. Okay, it is there. Now we can go and create the your order. Uh, Orders and return sales orders. Okay, enter your customer. Now before going to doing, now you can check this item, whatever the item, it is assigned to which warehouse. How you can check? MTL system underscore items underscore B, where segment 1 your item. So now segment 1 equal to your item. So you can check it now. So it is assigned to 204, 207, 10391. Where we can see these operating units, see HR operating units. So how we will find these all the tables and all? Already I teach. When you are going into this anything, so in the purchase order itself, wherever the operating unit is available, you can go to help, record history, copy the view, help diagnostics, examine. In the examine, you can copy the field name, go to view source, the source query level, we can see those. In the starting session itself, I told, okay, where organization ID in condition. So you can note down 204, 207, and 10391. Okay, so these are the operating units. ORGA, ORGA, ZA. Okay, only vision operation is there. 204. 207 is, see, try to understand again. 204 is the one thing. 207 is, that is again, this is not the operating units. This is operating unit, I checked it. This is inventory organizations. However, we can see the inventory organization. Inventory organization is MTL parameters. MTL parameter. So in the MTL parameters, here you can join with this organization ID. See, inventory organizations are different, operating units are different. Okay, that is comes in multi-arc concept level. You will see this. See now, Q1, M1, HBL, 3 is there. Okay, right. So now we are going to receiving from M1 the material. So the next it is going to, what is the item? With the item we are going to ordering now. Now, how yesterday I told, right, how to find the available quantity? Any idea?
MTL on hand quantities.
Right, on hand
Uh,
quantities. Where? On hand quantities. Where? In which module?
Inventory model.
Right. Tell me how I can check now.
Go to inventory,
Right. Inventory.
then
Inventory operations. Okay.
vision operation.
Hmm.
On hand quantity,
Right.
availability,
Right. On hand quantity availability. On hand
on hand
quantity.
quantity.
Under which inventory organization we are looking?
Vision operation.
M1.
No,
M1.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Right. We have to keep your item here.
Yeah.
Fine. Is there any quantity? Still quantity, nothing is set up here. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to see already existed quantity? You can try XX ITC. Whatever the item we have tried, that is not there. Okay. So existed one I am letting to show you. Okay. This is the one we are going to using. Some sample was now fine. If the stock is available, it will show like this way. Understood? M1 item. See, on hand is 9,960. If you click on availability, you can see here. See this. Quantity is this is reservable quantity. This is transact quantities. This is. So before that item, whatever the item we tried, is that item is available? No. That means There is no stock on that. Even stock are not created. Okay, fine. So now we are going to placing the order. Orders, sales orders. Now select your customer. Okay, see networks. So now go to lines. Enter your item number. Even stock is available. When it will go to the back order? Any idea? 10. Say stock is available 5 quantity. When customer is requested 10 quantity, remaining 5 quantity, what will happen? Automatically it went to the back order process. See here also the status is very important. Now you can see here requested quantity 10, on hand 0, reservable 0. Okay, and one more thing is it's very important is the order source is internal, it is not external, because we are receiving the material and then again we are going to shipping the material to the customer. Right, now if you go and see here, source is internal. Okay, right. Now if you go and book the 1046, now if you can use, let me enter sales order, enter sales order. What are the tables it is affected? Headers and lines. What is the header status and what is the line status? 1046 is our order number. You can see here 1046 is our order number. Now you can check in the both the header and line status. Right. What is how we can check? Flow status code.
Status code.
Right. It is entered.
Enter.
Entered. And this is also entered. So it is entered. Now once you click on book order, what will happen? Now book order. Yeah, order has been booked. So header status is booked. Go to line and see the line status also. Go to main. Okay, in the main you can see here. Supply eligible
Eligible. Okay.
means that means it is eligible the product to supply. Book order. Book order. So What is header status? It is booked. Now, so now you can see here, order is, header status is booked. I hope we are following these statuses. These statuses are very, very important. Now, supply eligible. Line status is supply eligible. What is the status in the draft shipment and the line status when you booked?
Shipping awaiting.
In the draft shipment, I'm asking. In the draft shipment, once I clicked on booked, the order is booked. At that time, what is the line status?
Same as booked.
Booked. In the O2C, order to cash flow, awaiting shipping. In back to back order, supply eligible.
Supply.
Understood. See, different statuses will come. That is the reason while practicing these flows, compare with the other flows also. Right. Now it is supply eligible. What do we have to do next? Line. Go to line and progress the order. So you can right click it here or else progress order. Right click the line and progress order or else go to the action and progress the order. Progress the order. Now create supply order eligible. After click on supply eligible, after progress order, what will happen? After progress order, what are the statuses it is going to happen? External requisition requested. See now, after progress order, automatically line status is changed. External requisition requested. So these are very, very important. You want to see? See here. Let me. What is this? External REQ. REQ means requisition requested. Now requisition is requested. Next, what we have to do? Run the
Background workflow process.
right. No. Requisition import program. So
Hmm.
that's why you are confusing back to back order and drop shipment.
No, but you just said that if we are moving from one application to another, means now we are in order management application, right? And
Right?
we are moving to requisition, means we are moving to purchase order. So I thought,
Uh-huh.
okay, all right, yeah.
Okay. Right. Now you can go into let me. Now you can go and run the. See here it is changed again now. Now go to purchasing, then go to view, request, submit a new request, single request. Now REQ, requisition import. The requisition import you can select it to order entry. Okay, and submit. Now you can see in AR interface tables data. Now you can find into requisition tables also. PO requisition, requisition headers all, view requisition lines all, view RQ distributions all. Okay, these are the tables got populated. Now we can see here. Yeah, it is created. We can check the view output. Oh, the requisition is not created. Somewhere the problem is coming. 1 second now. Right. So where it is stuck. So nothing is there here. Now we need to check. Let me check in the draft shipment. It will not go there. Okay. Let me find that. So now go to order management and query your order. No, it's not created anyhow. Okay, let me check why it's not created. 1046. Additional line information. Go to internal requisitions. No, it's not created anything. Let me find in the different way also. Is there any invoices are created on today? No, it's no invoices are created. If it is created, it will show there. Trunk of creation date equal to trunk of this date. Yeah, nothing is created on today. So we need to find why it's not picking. So give me a second. Up to this process is fine. There is no issue here up to here. Let me check external requisition requested. Let me raise viewer level requisition import program. Give me a second. Supply eligible. After that, we can click on progress. Run the workflow requisition import program. Let me try to submit one more time. Okay, let me try this. No, it will not go to this draft shipment. Um, give me a second. See now, it will not go. Now what happened? Someone is jumping and joining. Okay, fine. Right. So now requisition import. We did order entry. Let me remove order entry also. We'll try. If it is anything is struck and then it will going to pick. Yeah. Now let me see. Yeah. Now it is picked. One requisition is created and approved. Because sometimes it is going to stuck somewhere and it will not going to pick. Let me will see now. Okay. Now what is the now it is created. This is your requisition. So now you can copy the requisition number 14672. Now, hello. What happened, Shabarnathan? You are moving, joining. Right. Now, next you got the requisition number, right? So you can find this requisition number. So you can see the line information also, where requisition header ID. Now you can we see the line status, what will happen? See this. External requisition. Hello. We are following, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See Padmini, what happened now? Requisition status is line status is changed to what?
External requisition.
Open requisition.
Requested to open. Okay, clear? See, the line status is before external requisition requested. Once requisition is created, what happened now? It is open. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, let me remove this. We people going to confuse this. Okay, right. Now, your requisition number, you find it here. How did you find? Suppose if you don't know, this is based on the system date, I put it. But without system date, how you can find? Go to front end, you can see sales order level. Now go to order management. One zero 46. Now go to line item and then action, additional line information. You can see here internal requisition. Somewhere we can see, wait. It's not drop shipment. Okay. Okay. Let me find through other way also. Okay. Right. Go to purchasing and you can see there. Purchasing. Now requisitions. Now requisition summary. Here you can find your requisition number. How you can find? So through backend, what you know? You know the item, right? So in the so here what you know? Requisition line ID. Here it is item ID. You know based on that item ID you can find it here. So item description you can see here item ID is there. Already you know the item ID also. How would you know?
Um,
Yeah, please.
from MTL system items
That
B table.
same thing only. Here it is.
Yeah,
This
we
is
order
the
line
this
so.
is the one. This is the one. This is your item ID. So now you can join with this item ID. Lines level you can join with this. So you can join with the item ID. Item ID equal to this. So many it is coming. Okay. So many means based on this item we are going to raise so many items here. So you can see based on this today date you can see 30th today this is the one we are going to creating. So here you can find the requisition line ID. So this is the your requisition line ID. Now you can join with the requisition header ID. You will get it to here. It's a different ways are there. Okay, you can find it on different ways. Requisition header ID. What happened, Varnathan? See, you are jumping always. Now here you can find the requisition number. This is the way to find in the backend. The front end also you can see in the same way only. Enter your item number and then okay fine. Now you can enter your number or else you can enter your item here and then click on find. Against that item all the requisitions will come. Right, this is your approved requisition. Now go and create your purchase order on against this requisition number. Okay, right. Now go and create your purchase order PO. Okay, so how you will create the PO? Auto create. So you know the requisition number. Always check on order line status while creating the PO, receipt, requisition. Every time we have to check it. Okay. Now using auto create method, advantage or create. Now once PO is created, you can check it your line status. Line status is very important always. Okay. Now still that is let me create PO. Now PO is created. Now you can check this line status. External requisition open only it is showing. Let me approve my PO. 6424 is the PO number. So you can see this PO tables already we know, right? PO headers all, lines all, line locations all, distributions all. Okay, headers all where segment 1
one
equal to 6414, right?
and
6414.
lookup. Yeah,
No, no
it's
need
only one.
lookup. No need lookup. Only for requisition and quotation is the you need to specify that. See the same process only. Nothing is different here. Only the extra thing we are going to performing. We are running the requisition import program, and always we are checking the line status. Okay, right. Now PY is approved. Let me check line status. Right, PO
Open.
open. See this number of statuses it is going to changing. PO open. Okay. Now next what we have to do? We have to create the receipt. Receipt based on purchase order. So I'm not mentioned all the tables already we both knows in the previous steps. Okay. Now go to receiving receipt. M1. Now enter your purchase order number. What happened? This is a PO number is, what is this PO number? Is it 14? Uh,
Oh,
6414 is wrong one. No, it's the wrong one. I selected a wrong one. Let me today one I want. How I can
creation date.
creation that you can try. Trunk of creation date equal to
Trunk of sales date.
trunk of sys date. So you can see today one. Yeah, segment. Sorry, 6424. I put it 14. Okay, fine. Anyhow, now we got it. This is the one the PO we created. Now we can enter this. Now advantage car. Now you can create your receipt. So where we are going to receiving the material? Sub inventory stores I'm going to giving.
Store.
Okay. Now you can save it. Now you can go. What we have to check again? Now tell me, Padmini, what will happen here? It is what is the line status is changed now? What line status will
Rec-
come now? PO
uh,
open now.
receipt with
Yes, awaiting shipping. Line status is awaiting shipping. Still program is going to creating. Now receipt is created, but still the programs are running in the background. Okay. Now the receipt number this is RCV shipment headers. Where receipt number? No. Okay. Sorry. receipt number, PO number, invoice number, always in single quotes. It's a not numbers, it's a characters. Okay. Now you can check it in the line status. See, awaiting shipping. I hope you all are clear now.
Yeah.
See, when you are going to explaining these all statuses is going to change. The flow is going smooth. Next, what we have to do? Pick release. Pick release we have to do. 1046. Now, what are the tables are affected, sir? WSH delivery details. Delivery details. WSH delivery assignment. WSH delivery assignments. Assignments. These two tables are affected. So what is the join we can do? Source header ID, right? Source header ID is nothing but our header ID. Again, now O2C is started. Okay. So keep on mind O2C process here. Where? Sorry. So this is called as a source header ID. Now source header ID. Right. So data is coming now. Now here you can join with the delivery detail ID. Where? Delivery detail ID equal to this.
Four.
Now who is jumping always up and down? Is it you both are fine, right?
Yeah.
For him, what happened? I don't know. Okay, so some sound is coming always. Right. Now delivery detail ID. Now this is the delivery is not created. Now you can release it. Go and release the 10 1046.
1046.
Now go and release that sales order. Order management. Now go to uh, shipping. Okay. Now go to shipping. Release sales order. Release sales order. Okay. Release sales orders. Standard rule you can use. Okay. So in the standard rule, you can apply it. Enter the standard rule and then you can give it to your PO number 1042
46.
46. Right, sorry, 1046. No. Now once you enter that and then you can execute it. Now check this line. What are other tables? What is the status we can see here? This delivery status is what happened. Release the status.
Uh, Released. Yeah.
Release the status. R means ready to release. This is going to ready to release. Now delivery status also you can check. Delivery is still not created. The fee of the programs are submitted. Shipping exception report and quick release report is running. Now next we can run it ship confirm, we can do it. Okay. Now once the programs are completed, now we can see the statuses. There, here it is. Delivery ID generated. Here you can see Y. This is after quick release I am talking about. Quick release. So it is released from warehouse. Y. It is released to warehouse. Okay. It is Y. It's released to warehouse. Released from warehouse. Warehouse. Okay. Now we can see this also. Next, what we have to do?
Pick confirm.
Right. Go on, pick confirm it. Once pick confirm, what is the line status?
C.
Transaction. No, no, no. I'm
Mm,
asking order line status. Shipped. Okay,
yeah.
1046. You can see. Sorry. You can see the statuses in front end also. Okay. Right. Now click on find. See here. Now pick confirmed. Next status is ship confirmed. Go to delivery and then ship confirmed. Now you can go and see. Going to ship confirm. In the ship confirm, you can see the line status is shipped, and this shipment status is going to eh, shipping status is going to confirmed and closed. Now you can see in the above line status. See, always order line status is very very important in order management level. These all the flows. Okay, right. Now you can see this. Awaiting shipping only still because the programs are running still background. So here you can see set up all the programs. See, all are running now. So I explained what is the use of this all in the O2C process. Right. Now all are completed. You can see now. Still it is one program is running. Right. Clear? Hello.
Yeah. Koti, what are these total programs are? Means why these so many programs are running?
Yeah, when we are going to ship confirming at that time, see this ship confirm means at that time we have to give it to the all the sheets, right? See, ship confirm before once the material is loaded into in the vehicle. At the time, we need to give it this P of the programs to that persons. Okay. Vehicle load sheet details. Already I explained this. What are the materials we are loaded into the vehicle? Okay. Commercial invoice. This is if we have this report, then only customer inventory warehouse people will going to allow the material into inside their inventory. Okay. Packing slip report. What are the materials we are packed? This is the previous one. And next interface strip stop. This is going to picking the data from the inventory and moving into OM tables, interface tables. Okay, bill of lading report. Bill of lading also it's like material storage level only. So this material cost, how much cost we are happened. This all set off we are going to putting into that. See, try to make a one. I have a one document with each and every program explanation. We'll forward it today. Okay, try to run through the document so we're going to understand clearly how it's going to. What is the purpose of
Sure,
exactly
sure.
can get it to understand. Okay.
One more thing, you are going to provide that one document for types of
Pardon?
POs, types of on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
first
yeah,
day
yeah,
you will
yeah, yeah, yeah.
state that.
Yeah, yeah. I will give that also. I will give that also.
Yeah,
It's there. Still, we are going to discussing in PO module level some setups and all in reports at that time we'll share. Okay, every
sure,
material I will
sure,
share it. Don't worry. Okay.
sure, sure,
Next,
sure.
what we have to
Okay.
do? Run the workflow background process. Okay. What will happen now? Sorry. View request. Submit request. Now line is going to close. AR invoice is generated. That's enough. Workflow background process. Okay. OM order line. So Y N. So you can going to submit this. Click on no. Fine. So now the workflow background process is going to line status is what happened? Closed.
Confirm. It's closed.
Okay. It is closed now. Okay.
Yeah.
So and your invoice tables also affected. RA customer TRX all, RA customer TRX lines all, distributions all. Your invoice will come. Invoice will come. RA customer. How to find, sir? Tell me. How to find your RA customer TRX all. Back and how I can find my invoice number.
Where
RA customer TRX lines all. Uh, Tell me how I can find what I know here. Order number. Where? Interface line attribute. Line attribute.
attribute
1.
one
1 equal to. What is our order number?
4
1046.
6.
Right. Excuse me. Sorry. So here you can see those these all programs are running ADS. Right. Once it is completed, you can see. So that is the reason it is going to running. Give me a second. You can wait for a minute. So Still ADS is running, auto invoice import program. So try to finish it these 4 flows. Okay. Now the next we are going to see here your invoice number it is going to generate it. Okay. Take this customer TRX ID and then go to this area customer TRX all where customer TRX ID customer TRX ID equal to this join. Now copy your TRX number, go to receivables and open your invoice number. Now go to receivables and create your transactions transaction. Now F11, this is your transaction number. So now go to tools and create accounting. So I am creating the final accounting and post to GL. Accounting tables it is affected. XLAAE headers, XLAAE lines. Okay. Once we are going to post at this and then based on this you can create your receipt. That's enough. Okay. Fine. So in the back end you can see. So some other tables also affected. Already we are seeing O2C process level. Okay. Here you can see accounting tables. Accounting tables here. XLAE headers, XLAE lines, XLAE headers. Sorry, XLAE headers, XLAE lines, AE
Right.
lines, and here it is. A receipt is going to if a receipt is created, area, AR cash receipts all, AR cash receipts all, cash receipts all. Okay, this is the table it is got populated. Final table is what? GL transfer GL,
GL
GL
balance.
balances. GL balances. Hey, 1 second. GL. Okay, it's not BL. This is the one it is going to see now. Created. Okay, it's done. Now copy this. Now you can create the receipt. Receipts. Now it is receipts. Is that AP invoice is need to tell? Okay, fine, right? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Uh, right. So now you can create receipt here. Now it is total $174. Enter your transaction number. So you can create this. Padmini, you are following, right? Any doubts or questions in this flow? The flow is completed. So if you, all of you any questions, Shabanathan, you followed, right? Any doubts you can let me know now. Where receipt number? Sachin, clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. And try to practice it. Then we're going to see. So
Yeah.
the next we can simply what we can do, simply we will going to there and can create
Create
it.
the account for accounting for IAP.
Right, that's enough. Accounting for
Yeah,
AP. Invoice we have to create
yeah,
it
yeah,
based on the PO.
yeah.
Simply that also will show you. Simply you can go into now payables vision operations USA and invoices and entry invoices. So what's your invoice number? PO number is
One zero.
sorry, no, not that is order number. Uh, 1 second.
Requisition in
No, no,
requisition lines.
6424, right?
Oh, sorry, sorry. PO number you are talking about. Six four
6424,
two four.
right?
Yeah.
So based on the PO only, you will going to create the AP invoice. Now you
Invoice.
can enter your PO number here, and then you can create your invoice. So what are the tables it is affected? AP invoices all, AP
AP.
invoice lines all, AP invoice distributions all, AP payments. These tables are going to populated. Here it is, AP invoice. Now AP invoices, so AP invoices all, AP invoices all, AP invoice lines all, lines all, AP invoice distributions all, distributions all. You can see the amount difference here. Now invoice date, invoice number, simply you can going to enter the invoice number INV. Next level, go to invoice amount. Invoice amount, what is the amount we have to put? How would you know?
The item.
Line PO lines are level, quantity into unit price.
Yeah.
Here you can go there. Here it is. Now header ID you have, right? So go to PO lines. PO lines all. Shall start from PO lines all. So lines all where PO header ID equal to this. Now how unit price into quantity. Unit price into quantity. This is the one. So 50. So the same thing 50 we took it. Here you need to receive the line. Go to lines. Now see we are entered 50, but it is going to applicable for the tax now because we are receiving the material. In draft shipment level, tax is not applicable at the time. So because we are not received the material. Now shipment is happening. Okay, now we are received. So now you can go there. Now see this and then 1 second. It's calculating. Okay. Now so action validate the invoice. So this for this also tax is going to applicable or not. Let it be. It's a depends on the item tax is going to now it's a tax is applicable for this also. See now. So we need to match it. What happened now? The header and line amount is different. That is the reason it went to hold. So we are matched that. Now we are going to validating the invoice. Validate the invoice. Once you validate the invoice, now invoice is validated. We need to approve the this one force approval, then only you can make the payment, otherwise you can't. Now you can see manually it is approved, and then again go to actions and pay in full. Payment is going to doing to the customer. Now pay in full, then we are going to taking any discounts are there. Now how you are making the payment? Through remittance account is required, right? See, this is all the customer information. Through which bank account we are making the payment to the supplier. So here I am going to taking pay full. This is a profile we are going to create it. Positive pay. Any profile you can take it, no problem. Simply just I'm going to using, okay, anything is fine, no problem. This is going to remittance account, okay. Then you can make the payment. Okay, this is the information it is going to done. Now you can save it. Yeah.
Koti, I'm not able to understand this setup particularly means how this tax has been calculated, how we are selecting this payment terms and
See, tax calculation is already tax engine. It will be there. That is
okay,
formulas. They are already functional. The pure AP who is going to payable main architect it is there. They are going to set up that internally. The starting itself
okay,
they will going to set up all taxes and all. Okay, and then
okay,
and this is I selected some profile now, right? That is for
yeah,
what is the remittance account to deduct amount, through which bank you are going to sending. Suppose I am making the payment to the supplier, I means here which through which bank account we are going to paying. See, company account is required, right?
yeah,
That is the one. So now the payment is done, then go and create the accounting. Okay, this is final post. So now it is going to final post is happened. So it's done now. Now P2P process also over.
okay.
Yeah, automatically created and posted.